Here's a quick video to restore your sealed bearings. So I have two compressors here where I have to replace the pulley. This is the new one, remanufactured. And so I need to do a pulley swap. This is a V-belt, this is a micro V-belt or serpentine belt. So as you can see, this bearing is fresh, new, pressed in, all that fun. And there's really no way to take this out. It has to come back out this way, and they've notched these things. So this is the pulley I need, and I wasn't going to run down and get a new pulley. This only takes a few minutes and a little bit of patience. So first thing you do is just pop the cover off. This one has got black cover. This one has blue, and this is actually the front cover. If you take a look at this, so it was pretty dry. So the first thing I do is spray WD-40 into the bearing. Again, if you can see the bearing here, it's full of grease right now. WD-40, then rinse with hot water to get all the debris out of the bearing, then WD-40 again, and then what I like to do is just take some white lithium grease and continue to spin it and work the white grease in there to get all the WD-40 and water out. And you can kind of see this white mush. It's more white lithium grease than it is water, so I'm slowly going to keep pressing and spinning bearing grease. This is actually wheel bearing grease, which I don't mind. It's going to turn a little harder, but this still turns way easier than this fresh bearing. So I guess it's kind of hard to see. The other thing is you'll notice that as you push the grease in there, and thicker grease, if there was any noise when you spun the bearing, it'll eventually go away as the debris is pushed out, and the gap between the bearings is filled with the thicker grease. Anyway, so in the end, you just pop these covers back on. I recommend a flat screwdriver. On the inner side of the race, and it'll come out nicely. Just don't be afraid; it will distort a little bit, and then smooth it out. If you use these pickers, I don't recommend that at all, because you will potentially puncture the cover. So again, flat screwdriver, small as reasonable. Get in that little notch. There's usually a little notch right there in the front cover, and then you can just press it gently and pull it out, and then you can use the picker actually to go up underneath the cover and then start pulling it around and popping it out. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Take care.